All right. So, people have been talking about TikTok creativity program or creating an international TikTok account whereby once you upload content, you will be able to make money from it. Yeah, I understand. But the fact is that they are not really telling you the main point. Like, can you really make money from running another country account if you are from an ineligible country, maybe Nigeria, India, and some other African countries like that? But they are not telling you what exactly is at stake. Because to me, it's just like I want to decide to just waste my own time. You understand? So, because this is the thing. So there are some certain countries that are listed that are eligible for this creativity program, which is US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and then UK. So these are the eligible country currently. So here's the thing. Once you try to get a VPN, just like some different creators have talked about, like using a VPN to create your account. So like this one. So it explain how to go about it using VPN and all that. But actually, you can use VPN and you will definitely get a foreign TikTok account or an international TikTok account. But the main point is that when it comes to you being able to withdraw your money, you have to upload your tax ID, your tax ID in the sense that if you are in a country which of course you claimed, if you are in a US, which of course you use US VPN to create your TikTok account. And once you get all the eligibility required, which is 10,000 followers, 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days. So yes, you'll be able to apply and you will get the creativity program features in your TikTok account. But can you really withdraw all the money you have made through that account? It's not possible because all those creators are not telling you that fact because they don't explain where you will get at ID in certain country that you are not in a country where you are not located to, in a country where you are not living in, how do you plan to get the tax ID for that country? And all your information is not even in the country. So they are just lying to you because to me personally, I've gone enough to understand that, okay, I really want to jump into something that is really working compared to me giving it a trial, like maybe it's gonna work. But after giving it all my time creating content, because if your content is not even legit, if you're not the real owner of that content you're uploading, you will not be you'll not be able to uh get the creativity program features in your account. And you have to get 10,000 followers. It's not easy. You have to keep on uploading content because you don't even know which video is going to go viral on your TikTok account. So people out there, creators out there, they just they're just interested in your views. Like, okay, they created this video, you jump into it, you watch the video, then once it reaches to where you actually want to withdraw your money after all the effort you have put into creating the account and uploading the content, then you notice that you are unable to withdraw your money. So on this particular video right here, yeah, so I'm gonna show you all these comments that people have been dropping about when it comes to tax ID or something like that. So this guy did not give a response. And if he give a response, he will say that he's not interested in the earnings. Like who does that? Why are you not interested in the earnings? You put all lot of work. I even comment on this uh video and ask him what is goal, what is his target in withdrawing money from that particular account. And he's just like he's not really interested in withdrawing the money. He's just interested in affiliate network making money through the affiliates. Like to me, it doesn't make any sense. So reading all through this review, you can see, but you have not mentioned the reason behind the logout TikTok account from PC and then login from phone. Can you please tell me why? Let me know. So this is another review. Let me tell you some tips. As someone that has tried this, after creating the account on laptop using VPN, scroll through feed Do not change your bio or anything. Log out, give full 24 hours, then log in from phone. You can post a video. Still do not update your profile. Check to see if you are getting views or if you can follow and be followed. If you can get if you can uh, if you can maybe maybe if your account is good, you are good to go. If not, you will be getting zero views. You will need to wait a good 7 days. So let me click on that. Every day you check to see if you can follow and be followed. Once you can, your account is good to go. Start posting now and you will see views. Hope this helps. So all these things, yeah, you can actually maybe get views. You understand? You can get views, but at the end of the day, you want something in return, which is the pay for all the effort you have put in together, right? Can see this another one. Do you need to create a new account or can you use your existing account? You have to create a new account. Uh and you can see another one. Can I use SIM card from eligible country on an existing account? So different things that people have been facing. Yeah. And deep down, deep down is a lot of stress. Or else you just want to give it a trial and see, you just want to see how it's gonna look like. But for me personally, I don't know about you, to me, it's like I'm working for TikTok without expecting anything from them. Because after you put in content, people enjoy your content, and at the end of the day, you're not getting paid for what you have worked for. Like, creating unique content is very hard. Creating an original content is very, very hard. You have to put in a lot of different stuff. So, and this particular guy also create another video on uh, uh, I think tax or something like that. So, I think this is the video.
Within the past 30 days, I've been able to grow this account from 0 followers to 10,000 followers.
So basically, he grew different accounts in under health niche. So you can see under health niche, but he's not being able to withdraw his money. That's the most funniest thing. Even though he said he firstly creates a US account for TikTok, and after he noticed that he was unable to withdraw the money, then he moved from TikTok from US to France TikTok account, and still yet he was unable to withdraw the money. Still, like, what is he trying to achieve? He did not reply to my comment after I made that comment. He did not reply. So you can see another one. uh, Bro give out more info and value more than any guru out there. Maybe then you just can feel that you want to 100% help his viewer and he doesn't keep secret. It is the real good. Yeah, I understand. He did not keep any secret for real. But at the end of the day, we all want to achieve something at the end. That's the point. Can see you have a lot of us. You save a lot of us so many days of research and banging our head into the wall. Uh, I didn't bang my head into the wall. So let's scroll down right here. You're gonna see some other reviews. You can see or comments. Do a full tutorial about how to set up the payment method in details. He did not talk anything about payment method because he did not even have the details that they actually requested for. Like he's not in US, he's from South Africa or Ghana. I think he's from Ghana. So he did not have any details that they are asking for. But then maybe his method is working through the affiliate network. But to me, it's just like doesn't really gel like me because on the norms, if your video actually went viral on the platform on TikTok and then ads are placed on your video or something like that, you'll be able to get good pay compared to your video trying to struggle to the right audience who of course might be very much interested in clicking the link in your bio because they have to go through your bio before they can actually see the link for your video. But then I'm not stopping anyone to about giving this a trial to see how it works. But I believe it's gonna save a lot of people out there when it's come to creating an international TikTok account or TikTok account that actually support creativity program within Brazil, US, UK, France, Japan, and some other eligible country. So you might take my word for it, but then if you don't want to, you can also give it a trial, create the account, use VPN, go to TikTok and create the account and keep on posting real content. And let's see, I'll come back to this video after a long while that you have tried this method and let us know in the comment section if this method work for you. If you are able to withdraw money from this method, then we are cool. That's what we are really expecting from people to say. People that create content about this, what that's what we are expecting them to say. But none of them actually talk about this. Yeah, none of them talk about this. So this is exactly what I want to share with you guys, and I hope you find it so helpful in one way or the other. Thank you.